Asebaria batamanyeti omwanasiasa omukoro Semeon Nyachae'S oyo onyara kobaka gutugutwa lituko lya Jumatatu tariki 15 omutienyo kabiro mwaka 2021 omuyigo yokorakana asegeti kya Gusi Stadium ainaro amariogi aye.
Kwa hii mkutano fikira yenu, kwa sababu mniuliza swali kwa radio ase ninasimama wapi? Mnafikiria ninasimama wapi sasa?
Excellency the President, on behalf of 40 People Party, we congratulate you today for the announcement you have made, and we join you in this journey of your second term. It is only a blind person who would not see what the administration of President Kibaki has done. Very useful and progressive reforms have taken place in various sectors of our economy, and the results are very clear for us all to see throughout the country. In consultation with the leadership of 40 people, we have decided to support the re-election of President Mwai Kibaki for another five-year term to consolidate the economic gains the country has made so far, to continue the path of economic reform and enhance the stability of the country. We have thus concluded that His Excellency President Kibaki provides the best chance of not disrupting the economic growth and the stability of the country we have so far achieved.
Ensemo yabarai ni banyarko bago ikerana asomo yo okorekana segeti kya Gusi Stadium abu banyarko bakorawa monomurai wense omoske urumuiga Kenyatta mbabu ataya barenge gukwana gochia ase amate nabayigo family.
And we became friends again. Eventually we served in the same cabinet with Simon when he came in as a minister, first minister for energy in the same government. And we were working very closely together. I remember there's one time when I had a problem. We had this road called Kisi-Chemosit Road, which had not been constructed for a long time. Every election time, a contractor would be appointed. When elections are over, it will be withdrawn.
Vile Mzee amenishika mkono, mimi pia niko tayari kuwashika mkono, tuendelee safari hii pamoja nanyi. He was a disciplined man, and I liked the person Mzee ambaye ametukumbusha the most important thing. He was an honest man and a man of dignity. And without doubt, he was a disciplinarian. But not only in disciplining others, but the discipline within which he carried himself. What he expected of others is what he expected from himself.
Omogaka Semeon Nyachae'S lala buya na intwe norogenda tole. Kuraba Gusi Global Radio, Fidelis o Moshoge.